Hello everyone and welcome to the Gunpla Network. As always, I'm the Spicer and today's episode of the news is brought to you by none other than Canadian Gundam. Canadian Gundam is your one-stop shop for all your Gunpla and plamo needs here in North America. When you're checking their vast catalog and placing your next order, don't forget to use the promo code Gunpla Network to save 10% off. Starting us off, we have the Gundam Global Challenge official book being released. This book chronicles the production of the moving Gundam statue at the Gundam factory in Yokohama. It is in Japanese, but it does contain exclusive interviews with the father of Gundam himself, Yoshiyuki Tomino, as well as other members of the production team. Blueprints and never-before-seen information on the materials used for the RX-78-F00 is also included in the book, providing even more background information on the moving statue. We also have the P Bandai Full Mechanics 1100 Ale Calamity Gundam, with a release date of April 2022 and a price tag of 5,500 Japanese yen. Based off the GAT X-131, the Ale Calamity Gundam sports a dark blue color scheme, a new backpack flight unit, and a large warhammer. Designed by Junichi Akutsu, this mobile suit is packed with weapons such as Gatling guns, missiles, beam blades, and even a hidden rifle in the hilt of the warhammer. Not to mention, the warhammer is also there, has multiple modes, and is super intimidating looking. We also have the P Bandai Master Grade 1-100 scale Gundam Astraea Type F full weapons set, and the P Bandai 1-100 scale Master Grade Avalanche Dash unit for the Gundam Astraea Type F, with a release date of April 2022 and respective prices of 6,820 Japanese yen for the Gundam Astraea F-Type full weapons set, and the price tag on the Avalanche Dash unit is 3,300 Japanese yen. Please note, these are totally separate things, just one set goes with the other if you do want it. The GNY-001F Gundam Astraea F-Type takes the Exia's predecessor and splashes it with a coat of red paint. Not only is it clad in red, but it's got the full GN weapon arsenal at its disposal. Rifles, bazookas, missile pods, pistols, blades, you name it, the Astraea has access to it. Along with the Avalanche Dash unit is also being released alongside it, allowing for the Astraea to operate over longer distances at greater speeds and be generally significantly bulkier. We also have the P Bandai Metal Grade Crossbone Gundam X-Zero Full Cloth, with a release date of June 2022 and a price tag of 33,000 Japanese yen. The Gundam Exo Ghost from the Crossbone Gundam manga dons the infamous full cloth armor in this metal build. It's stocked up with hidden weapons and subarms all over the place under the cloth, and this fully realized Gundam Crossbone XO is ready to wage war all by itself. We also have the Master Grade 1-100 scale Wing Gundam Zero EW Verka clear color version as a Gundam base limited release, with a release date of December 18th, 2021, and a price tag of 6,050 Japanese yen. The XXG00W0 Wing Gundam Zero EW from New Mobile Report Gundam Wing Endless Waltz is perhaps one of the most recognizable silhouettes in all of Gundam lore. The angelic wings definitely help set it apart. This new Master Grade is getting the clear color treatment, allowing you to see all the inner working of the inner frame. And now for the top 5 of the week. In 5th place, we have Manuel E. Rodriguez in his custom Barbados Lupus Rex. In 4th place, we have Private Azib and his ground type S2. In third place, we have Rexer Tuscaner and his Master Grade Stormbringer. In second place, we have Kamal Book and his Goof Custom Diorama. And in first place, we have Decisive Battle Space Fortress Solomon by Mano Kabo from Osaka. Well, it was a pretty light news week for us. There's some interesting stuff. The Ale Calamity being entirely new is pretty interesting. And of course, the Astraea F-Type's always nice to see. A red prototype XE is always really cool looking. But let us know in the comments down below what you're most excited for. If it's not on this set of the news, let us know what else you're excited to look out for. Of course, be sure to check out our other content here on the Gunpla Network YouTube channel. And if you want this news in real time, it can be found over on our website, gunplanetwork.com. If you like to see builds like the top 5 of the week, you can check those out over on our Facebook page as well as our Instagram. As always, friends, please do your best to stay safe and keep on building.